Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new on my channel, my name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, beauty and reviews, a lot of hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So guys, I did part 1 of this video and this is the part 2 of Nykaa haul. So if you don't know, Nykaa was having their hot pink sale and many of the products were on a great discount, especially I would say high-end products. So this is the part 2. Now before starting the haul, I want to tell you guys that you don't have to go and purchase these items and yeah, just don't get me wrong, I wanted to try out these products and that is why I ordered these products. So I'm just gonna share what all I have got. Just take it spontaneously, do not feel bad about it. First time ever that I got so many products from a haul, like so many high-end products I would say, and it's just a haul just for enjoyment. I'm not bragging, I'm not showing that I have got these many items. I'm just showing you guys, just sharing what I got. So like I told you in the last haul that Flower Beauty was on flat 50%, so I got a few items from Flower Beauty. So the very first thing which I got is this one. This is their Light Illusion concealer. Now this looks exactly like the Sugar concealer, like the Sugar's I think packaging is also like this. So this just looks as if it is the Sugar concealer, but this is the Light Illusion full coverage concealer, and this is the concealer which I am wearing right now. And this is a really lightweight concealer, and it is more lightweight than the Sugar one. You won't feel a thing if you are applying this concealer under your eyes. Your under eyes will look snatched. You will feel as if you haven't applied anything. That's what I feel. Now my shade in this one is medium tan. Not sure about the shade, but I am going to leave all the links in the description box. Make sure to check it out. So this is the first item which I got. Now of course this has a very normal doe foot applicator, little slanted, so as to get into the inner corners really well, and it does get into the inner corners really well, so I really like it. This one is, I'm very excited about it because this one is the I think blush bomb by Flower Beauty, and these were like really famous back then. In fact right now also. Now I am in the shade Melon. Now again, Melon is such a pretty color. I'm just going to give you a swatch of it. So it is such a pretty color. It will suit my skin tone as well. I don't know if you can see, but I am going to insert me applying this blush because this just looks super healthy. Your cheeks look super duper glossy and juicy. I just can't tell you. So this is again one of my favorite discoveries from Flower Beauty. Also got their Light Illusion Luminous foundation, and this is all day wear broad spectrum SPF 18 sunscreen. Now I am in the shade Tawny, so this is the shade which I am wearing on my skin, and this foundation looks super healthy. Kid you not guys, if you are having dry skin type, you can definitely wear this, try this out, because this does have a little sheen to it. And people say that specks of glitters are visible, but I just can't see those specks of glitter. I don't know. And I have set my face from here and here a bit, but it looks super healthy. Like I am in love with this foundation because it just looks super healthy. But yes, it does emphasize a bit of texture. I am having a little bit of texture over here, so it is emphasizing a bit. But if you just apply a little bit of powder there, it just sets and it looks super duper flawless. So yeah, next is this one. And last product from Flower Beauty is their Seal the Deal Hydrating Mist, and this is how it looks like. It just says Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray, and it has dewy finish, again flat 50%, so I thought it's a really good deal, so I got this one. Okay, so I forgot to show you this, but this is the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior Mascara. This was when Flower Beauty was launched in India. This was super raved, and now I know why, because it does give your eyelashes a really good curve as well as volume. So it's a really nice mascara, I can say. But I think my Maybelline Sensational is also like this, so this is not something which I haven't used earlier. I have used Maybelline Sensational, and I think that is also very good. Now one plus point is that it does not make your eyelashes look clumpy. Okay, so that's what I like about this one. Now talking about the next one, that is Huda Beauty. Again, Huda Beauty was on 40-50% off, but the first product which I picked up, I think this was on 40% off. So this is Huda Beauty Tan Tour, and this is in the shade Medium. This is basically a bronzer, and let me just open this out. This is how it looks like, and this shade is nice for me. I mean, yeah, you can see like this is what the shade is. Now they say that it does have a cream finish, cream to powder finish, so as and when you apply it, it just becomes powder. Okay, this is how it is. So again, this is raved product, so that's why I thought that let me see what is the hype about, and I got it. So yeah, I will use it and do a do a review for you all, so you will get to know that how this product fare and how these products work on my skin tone. Now next up is hold your breath, because I don't know, I mean, I saw Huda Beauty on discount, then I got this one, and the other product, it wasn't on discount as such, but I was getting 2 freebies, so I thought this is the chance to grab this foundation. So this is the Huda Beauty For Filter Skin Finish Foundation Stick, and I am in the shade Dulce Delice. I think I am pronouncing it correctly. Please don't get at me if I'm not pronouncing it properly. Now this comes in a packaging like this, twist up packaging, and this shade is really nice match for me. You can see I am NC42, so this just gives a really nice match. Now again, I was also very confused in the shade, I think in the shade Brown Sugar and this one, but I saw a couple of reviews and they were suggesting this. So this is a really nice skin like foundation, doesn't look so heavy like Flower Beauty one. It might feel a little bit heavy, don't get me wrong, it's not heavy, but it does feel that, you know, you have something on your skin. But if you apply this, you won't feel a thing. Trust me, you won't feel a thing. With this, I got 2 freebies. Now one is this Huda Beauty Powder Matte Lipstick. I think it is named Powder Matte only, I'm not very sure. So this is the mini variant, this is Girl Strip, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, so for this I thought, let me just order. Now this color is not that flattering on me, like I have to use a deep lip liner, but what I can say is it is really creamy, guys. I mean, these lipsticks are hyped for a reason, and after using I get to understand that yes, this does have that beautiful smooth texture, which I think I haven't used a lipstick like this. It is very, very smooth, very, very creamy. At the same time, it just gives my lips a really nice effect, I would say. And the second one which I got free is this is the Legit Lashes Mascara. So again, this is a sample size. This is Huda Beauty The Best Lashes, and it was very funny to receive because I got the mascara samples like this. Haven't used it because I was thinking that at least I would be getting a tube, but what I got is this. I mean, wasn't expecting this, but okay, no problem. So by the way, this is the Best Lashes. So it does have curl and insane length. So it is written here that one is curling and the other one is for your dramatic lashes. Can't find that which one is the volume one and which one is the curl one. Anyways, I will sort it out. So I mean, I am amazed. This is what I got. Anyways, guys, that was about it. I also ordered e.l.f. Cosmetics lip lacquer. It was on flat 50% off, so I ordered 4 of them. They haven't arrived yet, so I think I won't be able to include them in this particular video. So if I got it till tomorrow, so I will be including that as well. So yeah, that's about it, and let me know what you guys shopped from Nykaa, if you shopped or not. So yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and bye.